students, welcome to Shanti Vidyaniketan English Medium School, Mandad online classes. Myself Apeksha Deshmukh, and today I am going to start 5th standard English subject. And in previous lecture, student we see first poem. And what is this poem? What a bird thought. And in this poem we see journey of bird. And now in this lecture we see second lesson, daydream. So student, we also listen about night dreams, but this is daydream. What is meaning of daydreams? So daydreams means, student, you will have some of dreams. When we sleep, at that time we see some dreams. But some of our dreams we remember, and most we will forget when we wake up. So we also have dreams for our future. Means when we grow up, you said I will become a engineer, I become a businessman. Means only we think in our mind, and this only we think is also called daydream. So now in this lesson there is a one couple, and they only think, means only dream about their future, not doing any activity. So now let's see the lesson. I will read and explain this lesson. You listen carefully and see in your textbook. Daydreams. Once there lived a couple who spent a lot of time in ideal talk. One day the husband said, I have always wanted to keep cows. If by chance I get some extra money from somewhere, I am going to buy a few cows. Student, listen. Once there lived a couple. A couple means, in this lesson, couple means husband and wife. And who spent a lot of time, means there lot of time in ideal talk. Ideal talk means doing no activity, doing no work. And one day the husband said that I have always wanted to keep cows. So here student, they would sit idly, that is doing no activity, only sit and talk. So here they don't have any money, and the husband is only dreaming that if by chance I get some extra money from somewhere, I am going to buy a few cows. Student, he is only thinking that somewhere means I will get some money, but here he can't know, he doesn't know from where and from whom, and he is saying a few cows. Here student, listen, no, not one, not two, he says that but few cows. Student, you should know that is cow cost a lot of money, and so buying a few cows means having lot of money. And here he doesn't have any money, and he only want to buy few cows. So student, look at this picture. Look at this picture and observe this picture. That is how these two couples are sat, and they do ideal talk. That is see dream. Okay, let's continue and next paragraph. But that means a lot of work. You have to feed the cows, walk them, bathe them, milk them. Cows need a lot of looking after. One cow will be enough. There is no need to buy more cows, said the wife. And then here student, bathe them. Bathe them means give them a bath. Student, if you have a pet, it takes lot of efforts to take care of them. You have to feed them, bathe them, walk them. So here the wife is thinking like that here, and she says that if you have so many cows, how we can look after them? Now next line. But think of all the milk we will get if we buy more, said the husband. And then husband said that he said that if we have more cows, we get more milk, means extra milks. Then next paragraph. That's true, the wife agreed. There will be so much milk that we can even have plenty of dahi and butter and ghee. Wouldn't it be lovely? How lucky that I have all these earthen pots kept aside. I will use one of the parts for milk, one for dahi, one for butter. The ghee I will put in another jar and I will use this remaining pot to send milk to my sister. And then wife says that yes, that's true. Wife agreed with her husband. Student, here earthen pots. Earthen pots means pots made of mud. So she remembered her earthen pots and she said, so lucky we are that we have these earthen pots. We make use of them. And she said that I will use one pot for dahi, one pot for ghee, one pot for butter, and there is one remaining pot. This was sent to my dear sister. So they all this planning they are making if they have cows. So in next line, send milk to your sister. Who said you could send milk to your sister? Then husband says that send milk to your sister. So he is angry about it. And then next line, there will be plenty of milk. If we have so many cows, why shouldn't I send it to my sister? The student, plenty means very, and then wife is very irritated, and she says that if we have so much milk, means if we have extra milk, so why shouldn't I send it to my sister? So husband said, next paragraph, because we are going to sell it in the market, that's why. I will decide what to do with all that milk and not a drop of it goes to your sister. Remember? And then husband said that, so what is the reason he is telling? Why shouldn't send milk to her sister? Because he says that we can sell it in the market, and so he is angry and he says that I will sell all these milk in the market and not a drop will go to your sister. Then in next paragraph, what is said? Why? Let's see. I will see how you can stop me from sending a pot full of milk to my dear sister. I do all the hard work running after the cows, so naturally I will decide what happens to the milk. Just try stopping me, the wife exclaimed. Exclaim means to die, exclaim means said. So remember child, they do not have any cows and they do not have any milk, but here wife is saying that I will the hard work running after the cows. And look at this picture. Look at this picture and observe this. They are sitting on this little cot and just dreaming and arguing and about nothing at all. They dreaming a few cows. Let's see, there is a in dreaming they see the full of pots with ghee, butter. Okay, student, understood? You understood this lesson? So student, there is some new words we see in this lesson. So first word is couple. Couple means in this lesson couple means husband and wife. Then plenty means very, and ideal means doing nothing. And then